Chapter 4. Validation Seeking. Let's be honest, we all crave validation to some extent, but for some, the need for external approval becomes amplified when wealth enters the picture. They tie their self-worth to their net worth, constantly seeking validation through their possessions. They post their lavish purchases on social media, hoping for likes and comments, feeding their ego. But this constant need for affirmation from others can be a sign of deeper insecurity. True confidence comes from within, not from the things you own. Chapter 5. Emotional Distress. You'd think that having it all would equate to happiness, right? But the reality is money doesn't buy fulfillment. In fact, many individuals with extreme wealth experience emotional distress, feelings of emptiness, anxiety, and a lack of purpose. They might struggle with addiction, depression, or a sense that something is missing in their lives, despite their material abundance. It's crucial to address these emotions head-on, seeking professional help if needed. Remember, your mental well-being is just as important as your financial success.